In this video, I'm going to show you how myself and others are making $500 per day with a little known website. And I'm pretty sure you've never seen this before at all. Now, this has nothing to do with master resale rights, MLM, network marketing, and it's not a cash gifting scheme. It's a complete business-in-a-box opportunity that gives you everything you need to make thousands per week, potentially make thousands per week, and sometimes per day. And if you are a brand new beginner online with absolutely no experience at all, not to worry. This powerful opportunity includes a state-of-the-art call center that does all the selling and telling for you, and it's trained to work on your behalf. They will call all your qualified prospects, answer all their questions, and they do all the selling and telling, and when someone says yes, you get paid directly by Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, or credit card. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Dan Froelke, and over the past 15 years, I haven't worked for anyone. I've made my income entirely by using these very simple, done-for-you, automated systems that pay out 100% commissions, and I've taught thousands of people to do the same. So, if you're interested in making money online, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and of course, click the bell icon, and I'm going to notify you anytime I upload a new income opportunity. All right, I'm going to jump on my computer right now, and I'm going to show you step by step how we make $500 per day with this simple automated system. Let's get started. The system is called Infinite 500, and it's a member-to-member instant pay program with digital products. So last week, one of my marketing friends sent me her link to this particular program, and this is brand new. It just launched last week, and this happens often. All right, I get a lot of people hitting me up with these new offers all the time, but because she was a longtime friend of mine online, I decided to take a look at it, and it looked pretty good on the surface. And you probably already know, I love these member-to-member Insta-Pay programs. So I purchased the system, really dug into it, and liked what I saw. So I decided to add Infinite 500 as an income stream and share it with others because I feel this could help a lot of people out right now. I want to do a brief overview of the system so you guys get a better idea of what this is all about and how it can help you and your family. I'm also going to be doing something very special for those who join me directly in Infinite 500. And I've never done this before to this extent, but I call it our 90-day blitz. I want to personally help you make more of these $500 instant commissions by providing you with top tier 1 traffic for 90 days. Absolutely free on me. A little more on that later, but this is top tier 1 traffic from one of the best solo ad providers out there right now, and I've been using him for over a year and a half now. So I want to show you around my Infinite 500 back office and give you some highlights on some key features that I love about this system. So first, 95% of the Infinite 500 business is automated. You'll get custom built capture pages with an in-house autoresponder and well-written emails that automatically go out to your prospects on your behalf. And if you have your own autoresponder, like I do, you can easily integrate Aweber or GetResponse. You're also going to get access to the professional call center. These well-trained people handle all the inbound calls. They answer all your prospects' questions. They do all the selling and telling for you. You'll never have to answer any questions, no selling, no talking to anyone. And let me show you how that works. This is a really cool feature. I love it. So you can actually turn the call center feature on and off, okay? You can activate it right here, or you can turn it off. As you can see here, I usually have mine off because this is what I do all day, every day. So I'm available to answer questions from everybody, right? Now, when I'm not home, or if it's on the weekend or something, or a holiday like last weekend, what I did, I just activated the callback center. It's as easy as that. You can activate it or turn it off. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's activated. Let me show you something. This is my sales page here, and I want to show you where the call feature is located here. All right. And here it is right here. Okay. Have any questions, concerns, or just need help getting started? This is the number. And of course, sponsor ID. They have to let the callback center know who their sponsor would be. So that's why we have the ID here. So you can turn that on, or as I did before, you can deactivate this. All right. Now when I refresh the page, the call center is off. Okay. So that's a great feature. I really like that. And as you can see here, we have a very easy to navigate back office. It's super easy to set your system up, and you're going to get real-time tracking of leads and sales. Meaning you're going to get an email every time someone opts into your capture page, an email when someone signs up, and this is really cool. When your lead calls into the call center, you're going to receive an alert letting you know that the callback team is working on a sale for you at that moment. This is live in real time. This is awesome. That's full transparency, and that's why I love this feature. Not to mention, you'll know that your advertising is working for you when you get these live alerts. And for every sale you make, you're going to get paid $500, and these are paid directly to you instantly, of course, because this is a member-to-member program. You can get paid via Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, or a credit card, or it can be a cashier's check or money order sent by overnight carrier right to your front door. And I actually just received another sale while recording this video. As you can see here, this is a powerful system, and I absolutely love it. All right, let's talk about the products. So you're also going to receive the resale rights to digital information products that are actually very good. And these are not the old rehash products that some other companies are giving their member base. How are we going to share this with others? All right, how do we market this business? Well, we have many ways to market this system, both online and offline. You'll get access to the company's letter shop fulfillment center, where at just a click of a button, you can order postcards and flyers and have them mailed out to highly targeted prospects, all done completely hands-free. We also have done-for-you solo ad providers, targeted website providers, and SMS text broadcasting providers. Now, I want to talk about something very special that I put together for those who join me directly in Infinite 500. I want to personally help you make more of these $500 instant commissions, so I created my team 90-day blitz, I call it. I'm going to be providing you with quality, top tier 1 traffic from one of my favorite traffic vendors, 𝗗𝗜𝗦𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗜𝗠𝗘𝗥. Now, he owns Elite Solo Ads, and I've been using his solo ad traffic for about 2 years now with one of my other business opportunities with great success. And I've made a ton of sales with his traffic. So I put together a traffic rotator using Alessandro's traffic, and to help you make sales, I will add your referral link to my traffic rotator for a period of 90 days. That's my 90-day blitz to you. I am personally paying for this traffic, and it's coming right out of my pocket, just so you know. So that's 90 days of quality, top tier 1 traffic sent to your capture page from me, absolutely free. And I'm also going to send you a tracking link to track all those clicks. All right, so right now, I want to walk you through the joining process. It's very easy to get started with Infinite 500 and start earning these $500 commissions. All you have to do is give the link a click, and there's going to be a link either on this page or in the description of this video if you're watching this on my YouTube channel. So just give the link a click, put your very best information on the capture page. Just give this a click here. and you'll be redirected to the sales page here where you can watch a very short video highlighting Infinite 500. And then if you're all set, you're ready to go, all you have to do is give this green button a click and register. Okay, you can register right here, give this a click and create an account. As you can see here, I'll be your sponsor. Make sure that's me. Put your name, email address, and your phone number, and click on register now, where you will create an account. Now, once you have your account, all you have to do is log in. And I created a test account right here. And this is what you're going to see the very first time that you log in. Okay, you're going to pay me, your sponsor, $500 one time. And there's a one-time admin fee of $97. Okay, now these are the ways that I accept payments. If you want to send me a money order, cashier's check, just reach out to me and I'll give you my address where you can send that to. You can send me via Zelle or Cash App, or if you want to use your credit card, just click on this right here. Okay, very easy. And then of course, you're going to pay your admin fee. Now, when I see that on the other end, I'm going to mark you as paid and you'll have full access to the system. I'm going to reach out to you with my welcome email with all the instructions on how to get your free traffic and everything. Hey, I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions at all, just reach out to me. Either reply to this email or you can actually shoot me an email at danfroelke@gmail.com, or you can give me a call, 763-213-5361. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.